In this video, I'm going to show how we can record the video lecture using two free screen recording software. The first one is Screencast-o-matic and the second one is Apowersoft. With Screencast-o-matic, it allows us to record 15 minutes video. It has a small watermark on the screen, but it's not too big to hide any of the points that we're going to present. And it only records narration, but it doesn't record the computer sound. So in this case, if you have a video as part of your recording that you want to display, then unfortunately this is not the tools that you can use for such recording. The second one is Apowersoft. With the free license, you can get 3 minutes video recorded. It has a watermark, but then again it's not too big to hide any of the points in your screen. And it records both narrations and computer sound. So if you do have any video that you want to record as part of your presentation, this could be one of the tools that you can consider. Let's proceed with recording the video lecture. So for Screencast-o-matic, you can key in the keyword here if you want to search using Google or any search engine, and then you will get this link to Screencast-o-matic. Once you have open the website, so the landing page will give you the link to start recording for free. So in this link, you will be able to download the relevant software that's suitable with your operating system. So once you're in this page, you click on Launch Free Recorder. It will then download the launcher. Then every time you're going to record the video lecture, you will have to make sure you have access to this file. So when you run the application, it will start with this pop-up window. It will open the recorder. So basically what it does, it will give you the range of screen that you want to record, that you can record. So if you want to record only certain parts of your screen, you can adjust the size of the screen that you want to record. Okay, so you can adjust this accordingly, and it will also give you the status of your microphone. So if your microphone basically active, it will give you this kind of bar, how loud or how low the voice is actually recorded. Again, unfortunately, with this free license, it doesn't allow you to record the computer audio. Okay, so it will give you the maximum of 15 minutes, which is more than sufficient for video lectures. Okay, so let's have a look on the camera. So you can actually activate the camera here. Okay, so you can use the webcam. Okay, so you can use either the front camera like what I have here. Okay, so basically the camera, the portions of the camera that being recorded will be able to be adjusted if you feel like you want to put in any parts of your recorded screen. Okay, so if you record, okay, so basically you can start presenting your word or your lecture. Once finished, okay, and you click done, then you can proceed with saving the file, which in this case it will be recorded as MP4. Okay, so click on save video, and then you can locate the file in any of your drives. Okay, so if you want to put it in desktop, or if you want to put it in any of the drives, you can just locate the file accordingly and then publish. Okay, so once it is finished, you can look at the file in the folder. So this is the file that we have just recorded earlier. So another one is Apowersoft. In Apowersoft, once you click on apowersoft.com, it will give you the landing page will be the one that we're actually looking for, the screen recorder. So click on learn more. Okay, it will then provide you the link to download the software, which in this case you can simply click on download, and then it will pick the right file for your operating system. So once you have installed, it will guide you through the installation process. So you can click the language. Okay. It will actually install the software, whereas in Screencast-o-matic it will install the launcher. So in this case, it doesn't matter if you lost the installer, because it will be kept as one of the applications in your Windows. Okay, so this is how the screen looks like when you actually launch the Apowersoft software. So it will give you a mini tutorial. Okay, so it will show, again, it will show you the range of the video that will be recorded. Okay, so let me just adjust my recording. So in here, as you can see, I can also make it smaller. Okay, just to make sure the portions of the screen that I want to record is captured. Okay, and in here I have the system sound. So we can, if you want to record the system sound, you can click on the system sound, and then this is for the camera. Okay, so this is the default camera, so you can again locate where you want to have the camera recorded, and you can also adjust the size if you feel that you don't want to have the face recorded too big, then you can adjust accordingly. Again, you can hit record if you are ready. With the trial version, we can have 3 minutes. Okay, it will have watermark, and it doesn't allow the compressing of the sound. Okay, so I'm recording the videos now. Once you finish, okay, so again in here I do have some visual cues that we can use here. Okay, we can type if you want. Okay, so once finished, just click stop. Okay, once finished, you can click stop, and then in here it will show you basically where you want to put the file. So in here by default you will get the file recorded as MP4, and you can locate the file. Okay, so this is what we recorded just now. Okay, as you can see, there's a watermark here on the top. Okay, and yep, so that's basically it. Okay, so once it is ready, you can put in YouTube as unlisted and then provide the link in iTallim, or you can upload to Edpuzzle, in which you can add questions in between. We have covered this during the e-learning clinic, and that's basically it for this video lecture. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon inshallah in the next video lecture. Assalamualaikum.